The next type of index that we are going to see is the function-based index. Now, if we apply a function on an indexed column, then that index will not be picked up by the optimizer. For example, in this case, there is already an index available on the email column. And if I fire a query, say select first name from employees, where lower is the function applied on top of the email column, is equal to WS Smith, it is going for a full table scan. This is because a function is applied on top of the indexed value. This happens because Oracle has not saved the indexed value, or rather the indexed entry of the output after applying the function. It just have the row ID or the indexed entry only for the email value rather than the output obtained after applying a function on top of the indexed value. So what is the solution for this? We'll see in the next slide. So the solution for this is to create a function-based index. In this case, I have created a function-based index on the email column on top of the lower function. For example, create index name, that is emp underscore function underscore idx on table name, that is the employees. And when I create an index, I have to mention on which function I'm going to create the function-based index, that is lower of email column. After creating this function-based index, and when I fire the same select query, you can see that the function-based index emp underscore fun underscore idx is being utilized and is doing an index range scan. So what is the disadvantage of the function-based index? If I modify this select query with instead of lower, if I put the upper function here, then this function-based index which we have created in the previous step will again become invalid and won't be applicable. So if I put a upper function here, I have to create a second separate function-based index with the upper function separately in the index statement. So this is the disadvantage of the function-based index. Not only upper or lower, if you replace this with any other function, you have to create a new separate function-based index accordingly.